So, as part of our mission to speed up the adoption of today's technologies, we're positioning companies, your clients, with a different kind of mindset to open up not just what's possible today, but where it's all going to go in the future. So, as you take them down the evolution path with your product, they're with you, they're open minded, they're understanding that this stuff is not complicated. It delivers results in days and weeks, not months and years. So, the ability for them to show to their clients, to their peer group, to their internal audience, their external audience, real results very quickly, that's them understanding that it's possible. And as I say, in days and weeks, not months and years. But when we look at our end target audiences, heads of HR, heads of finance, heads of marketing, heads of sales, there are pretty much two camps. There's the kind of the overwhelmed and stressed. They see all these opportunities, the amazing technology here, another new shiny object here. What we try and do for that group is we actually make it very, very simple for them to focus on 12 bits of technology every single month. So they're no longer overwhelmed by all these things that are possible. We're showing them these 12 amazing technologies that are going to work. We're making it easy for them to digest the content. So it's not like they have to watch a whole video. They can get it very easily because we've edited the video, we've given the excerpts, we've created the Cliffs Notes. It's all there, it's digestible. If they want to look at the full video, fantastic. If they want to read the summary, it's there as well. So that whole kind of overwhelmed and stressed, too many shiny objects, we narrow it down and we help them focus on what's achievable and what's possible today. And then there's the other community, which is kind of like knows they should be doing something, would like to be doing more, but don't even know where to start. And again, our model is very simple. Because we're creating 12 bits of content every single month, we're giving them, an insight as to what's possible. It may not all be for them. It may not be for them now. It may not come back to them the following month. The content's always going to be there, but we're kind of making it digestible. We're making it accessible. We're making it kind of consumable in a way that they can see the meaningful business impact for the technologies we're talking about. So it doesn't matter whether your audience is, overwhelmed and confused or kind of like head in the sand, kind of wanting to do something but not knowing where to start. We're making it very, very simple for them to find 12 bits of content every single month that they can implement very, very quickly and start transforming their business. So that's what we're doing to help speed up the rate of adoption of amazing technologies. And if we get it right, then it helps the next wave and then the next wave and the next wave. And that's your customers with you for life.